Underutilized crops are very, very important for us in the tropical region. They have the potential to contribute a lot to food security. They are also very well adapted to our conditions, our growing conditions. And so they will help us to address the issues that we face in terms of food security, help us to reduce the high levels of importation of staple crops specifically, which we do not produce in our region. My work focuses on tropical food crops, mostly root crops, but I also worked with breadfruit, which is a tree crop. Many of these tropical food crops, the root crops, breadfruit, they are generally considered as underutilized crops. In my case, I supervise several students that work with these NUS crops. Apart from students who work with things like sweet potato, the breadfruit, and so on, I also work with students in the area of rice, of Oryza glaberrima, which is again another example of an underutilized food crop. These crops play a very valuable role in our ecosystem and in our natural economies. So when we purchase and we support farmers that produce these crops, we are contributing to the sustainability of our food system.